Manifestation does not have to be hard. In fact, the lazier you are, the faster it can work. And I am gonna show you how. You do not need 20 affirmations, a full moon ceremony, or a vision board that takes hours to make. Honestly, you can manifest anything that you want the lazy girl way. Yes, even if you feel too tired, too busy, or too unmotivated, you can still attract your dream life. So, if you like these kinds of videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Now, here's the thing. Manifestation is not about how much effort you put in. It's about the alignment. It's about your feelings, your energy, and your emotions. So, the truth is, if you know the right shortcuts, you can actually manifest faster by doing less. So, in this video, I will share with you 3 super easy low effort techniques, and by the end, you will see how being relaxed and being effortless is actually the key to manifesting your dreams. So, the first technique is affirmations on autopilot. For this, instead of sitting down and repeating 50 affirmations every single day in front of mirror, which let's be honest, no lazy girl is gonna do, just weave them throughout your day. For example, set all the alarms on your phone with the name of an affirmation that you want to say. So whenever any alarm is going off and you are checking the phone, you will see that name and you will be reading that. You can create customized alarms, or if you want some random alarms throughout the day, and whenever those alarms ring, you will be seeing those affirmations without even thinking. So set up alarms throughout your day so that every time you hear an alarm, you know that this is the time to do your affirmations. The second way how you can use affirmations on autopilot is by creating a wallpaper or a screensaver with the affirmations in it. So every time you are opening your phone, you are seeing the affirmation and you are reading it voluntarily or involuntarily. So your subconscious mind is constantly reading that, and that is feeding into your subconscious mind throughout the day. So even without trying to do the affirmations, you are actually doing them involuntarily. In this way, you can actually reprogram your subconscious mind without forcing it to do something, just naturally, without putting in any extra effort. Now, the second technique is visualization in micro moments. Now, a lot of people think that to visualize, you have to sit at a place, meditate for 30 minutes and then visualize, but that is not true. So, the lazy girl trick is to do micro visualization. Every time you are doing something mundane, so maybe it's brushing your teeth or waiting in the line or maybe cooking food, whatever it is, think like you are doing that as your highest self. You can do it simply like you are cooking and you are thinking like you are in your dream house and cooking there. Or if your goal is not your house, then you can also think like you have just passed some exam that you were manifesting to top, and then you are cooking something for yourself. It can be in any way that you want, but use everyday chores, use everyday mundane activities that is not that interesting to actually visualize. Even when you are brushing, as I was saying, so you can brush thinking like the last day all your dreams came true, or the thing that you wanted just happened. So you are now brushing thinking how amazing it felt. It can be very simple things, but create your own stories and visualize that. You will see how easy it will feel to actually work on your dream because you are already in that energy all the time now. Now, the third technique is gratitude while scrolling. Now, if you're someone like me, you scroll a lot. So, whenever I'm scrolling something and I see someone achieving something which I wish I would have gotten. Earlier, I used to say things like, I don't have this, I wish I had this. But now, whenever I say these things, I say thank you, universe, or thank you, Instagram, for showing me this. I'm definitely gonna get this in the next month or in the next year, or like whatever time frame you want. Or you can also say thank you so much for showing me this. I just love this. Or you can directly say thank you so much for giving me this thing. It can be anything, but be grateful that you already have the things that you are seeing. So by that way, 2 things happen. One, you are not jealous at all. So jealousy is a very low vibration feeling, but gratitude is the highest form. So you are converting all your jealousy to the highest form of energy, that is gratitude, that you are so grateful that you are seeing this. Even this YouTube channel I started because I kept seeing people talk about how easy it is in YouTube or how amazing it feels to talk on YouTube. So that actually motivated me, like, yeah, I should be starting a YouTube channel. What will happen? Right? So maybe you will do something of your version. Even you see someone buy a car, maybe you can say thank you for showing me this car. I just love this car. I'm pretty sure I will have this car by next year. Say things like that. Every time you are saying things, these are also kind of affirmations, right? It always don't have to be something big, something hard, something that you have to take out time for. It can be very simple, very easygoing, very light-hearted. Manifestation is supposed to feel easy. It's a lot more about alignment than hard work. So if you have been overcomplicating things, take this as a sign. Let this be your reminder that sometimes the easiest way can be the fastest way. If this video felt like a sigh of relief, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who actually needs this. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I promise you I will keep bringing more such videos. And if you like this video, I'm pretty sure you will like this one. So check that out, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.